Once again, guys, welcome back to my channel. Stephen Wommack, my name, and today we're going to do another Instagram tutorial. We're going to take a look at this KHALID look, the pictures that he posted on his Instagram account. I got a lot of requests from you guys asking me to recreate this ice blue, kind of white blue KHALID look, and that's what we're going to do today using only the smartphone and the free Lightroom app. And of course, as always, I've created a preset for you guys. To every one of you who already has that all presets pack, this preset, this KHALID Ice Blue preset is now online. It's updated, so go check that out. For the rest of you guys, I really recommend that all presets pack that I made, where I will upload and update all the new presets, as well as it includes the old presets, over 200 presets that I made for you in that pack right now. So make sure to check it out. Link is under this video. It's a great deal. You only have to buy it once and it will auto update. I think it's a great deal. Of course, subscribe to the channel, hit the notifications bell if you haven't already, and if there's anything you need from me, always feel free to DM me on Instagram. Stephen Wommack is my handle, and I am replying to all of my DMs. It might take a while, but I will reply to you. So if there's anything you need, feel free to DM me there. Now, I've said enough. Let's jump right into this tutorial. The first thing we want to do, of course, is open the picture in that free Lightroom app. So we have the picture right here. We go to the lights tab, as always, down here to the curve on the upper right side, and I want you to recreate this curve as it is right here. Really simple. On the bottom left side, the shadows, we're going to pull them to the right a little bit, and the highlights on the upper right side, we're going to pull them down a little bit, and then in between just create that nice bow, smooth transition, and then we are done here. The next thing we do is just pull down the contrast to around -34 right here, the highlights all the way down to -66, and the shadows up to +18, the whites down to -57, and the blacks all the way down to -20 right here, or -19. Then we're done with the light. We go over to the colors tab, and now here we want to create this blue, cool, cold tone. So we pull down the temperature to around -17, but we want to boost up the saturation to around +12. Then we scroll up, hit the color mix on the upper right side, and now for the red tones, the skin tones, we just want to boost the hue a little bit to +17 right here, or 18, to get that skin tone a little more natural. Then here, the orange tones, again, we want to boost that up to +10 right here. Then we're done. Now we go to grading on top here, and now just scroll over to where it says highlights, to that highlight circle, and we just want to pull down the luminance for the highlights all the way to -67 right here. Then we are done. Last thing over here in the effects tab is just boost up the clarity a little bit to around +16, and then we are done here. And this is it, guys. Here's a before and after, and once again, I hope you're happy with this KHALID blue ice cold inspired look. We're only using our smartphone and the free Lightroom app, so I think it's pretty cool how close we can get to that real picture. Now, of course, I've also created a preset on exactly this look for you guys. It's linked under this video, and it's in the all presets pack with over 170, even 200 presets in there right now. And the cool thing about this pack is that you just have to buy it once, and you get all the future presets that are coming on a weekly basis as well, automatically updated. It's a great deal. Make sure to check it out. Link is under this video. Of course, subscribe, hit the notifications bell, and if there's anything you need from me, I'm always replying to my DMs on Instagram, so feel free to just write me there if you have questions, ideas for any new tutorials, new content that I can do for you. Stephen Wommack is my handle, so I hope I'll see you there. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope I'll see you in the next one. Till then, stay creative, stay healthy, peace.